let f of x equal negative 2x plus 4, and we want to find f of 0. So here's our question. So whenever you see this f of 0, okay, this tells us that 0 represents the input. Okay, and the input always represents the variable x. So let's go ahead and then write down the function f of x, which is equal to negative 2x plus 4. Okay, and so what we want to do is we want to find f of 0. So what this means is I need to replace x to be the input, which is 0, and then we're going to add 4. Negative 2 times 0 is 0, and then plus 4 is going to give me 4 here. So we have f of 0, which is equal to 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our answer. So the answer is 4. Okay, now also let's keep in mind here before we go any further. Okay, technically, if we wanted to write this as an ordered pair, this represents x, and then this represents f of x, which is the same thing as y. So if we want to write this as an ordered pair, we would see that x is the first coordinate, which is 0, and y would be the coordinate for 4. So therefore, we would have 0, 4. Okay, now, again, what does this look like on the graph? Okay, so if I wanted to graph this function, I would graph negative 2x plus 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and put in 2x here. Okay, so let's find out where 0 is. Okay, so here is 0, and let's go all the way up here, and then you can see that 0, 4 is on this graph. And so that's technically what you're doing visually. You're seeing that this point is on that graph.